Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to convert other bases to base 10. I'll demonstrate that using the examples. I'll be demonstrating that by solving the exercises we have, question 1 to 4. Let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. Let's convert 101101 base 2 into base 10. If you want to convert a number from any basis to base 10, if you want to convert number from any base to base 10, what you will do is that you take each of the digits. First of all, what you do is that you first number each of the digits from 0 like this, starting from right towards the left. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is step number 1. Step number 2 is to multiply each of these digits with the base raised to the power of the number of its position. Let me demonstrate this. This will be equals to, let's start with this digit. 1 times 2 raised to power 5 plus the next digit is this. 0 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3. Then the next is this, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1. Sorry, this one is 0. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. When you evaluate this, 2 raised to power 5 is equals to what? 32 plus this is equals to 2 raised to power 5 is equals to 32 plus this is 0 plus this is 8 plus this is 4 plus this is 0 plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 equals to 45 base 10. And this is our final answer. Let's look at question number 2. We're asked to convert 403 base 5 to base 10. The first step is to number the digits from 0, starting from the left, 1 and 2. Then the next step is to multiply each of the digits by the base raised to power of the number of their position. And that will give us 4 times 5 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 0 plus 3 times 5 raised to power 0. If we evaluate this, this will be equals to 5 squared is 25 times 4, that is 100, plus this is 0, 5 raised to power 1 times 0 is 0, plus 1, 5 raised to power 0 is 1, plus times 3, that is 3. This is equals to 103 base 10. Question number 3. We are asked to convert 101.101 base 2 to base 10. Now, this look different, right? Good. What we do different here is the numbering. We start numbering this number from one decimal place to the left, the first digit to the left of the decimal. That's where we start numbering from, and that number will be 0. Okay? If you move towards this side, it will be plus. If you move towards this side, it will be minus. Therefore, this one will be 1, which is the same thing as plus 1, and plus 2. While towards this side, it will be minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Okay? Now, let's go through it now. Okay? This will be equals to, the next step is to multiply each of the digits with the base raised to power of the number of its position. So this will give us 1. Let's start from this. 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0 plus, the next number is this, 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 0, this 0, times 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 times 10 raised to power minus times 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay, if we evaluate this, we'll get 1, this one will be equals to 4, this one will be equals to 0. Okay, this one, 2 raised to power 0 is 1, times 1, that will be equals to 1, plus 2 raised to power minus 1. If you want to know how I'm evaluating this, you can watch my video on indices. You'll see the link above. This one will be equals to 1 times raised to 1 times 1 over 2, which is equals to 1 over 2, plus this one will be 0, plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 3, which will be equals to 1 all over 8. You know, 2 raised to power minus 3 is equals to 1 over 2 raised to power 3, which is equals to 1 over 8. You can watch my video on indices. Okay? Now, if we evaluate this, this will be equals to what? This will be equals to, let's take the LCM of this, or let's first simplify it to 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 8. If you take the LCM, that will be 8. 1 in 8 is times 5, that's 40, plus 2 in 8, that's 4, times 1, that's 4. Okay? Plus 8 in 8, that's 1, times 1, that's 1. this will be equals to 45 all over 8. Okay, so and this will can convert this to decimal. That will be equals to 5.6. Okay, 2. This is our final answer. Okay, let's look at question number 4. They say we should convert 31.24 base 5 to base 10. The first step is to number starting from the one digit to the left of the decimal. That's where our 0 will be. When we go this way, it will be plus. So this one will be plus 1. And when we go this way, it will be minus 1, minus 2. Okay? So the next thing is to multiply each of the digits with the base raised to power the number of its position. If you do this, let's start with the 3 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 5 raised to power 0. Then to this plus 2 times 5 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to power minus 2. Okay, if we evaluate this, this will be equals to 3 times 5 raised to power 1 will be equals to 15 plus 5 raised to power 0, that is 1 times 1, that is 1 plus 5 raised to power minus 1 is equals to 1 over 5, the way I evaluated this, and that will give us 2 all over 5 plus 5 raised to power minus 2 will be 1 over 5 squared, which is 1 over 25, times 4. That will be 4 all over 25. Okay, so this will be equals to 16 plus 2 over 5 plus 4 over 25. If we take the LCM, 25, 1 in 25, that's 25, times 16, that will be 25 times 16 plus 5 in 25, 5 times 2, that's 10, plus 25 in 25, that's 1 times 4, that is 4. And this will be equals to 400 plus 10 plus 4 all over 25. And this will be equals to 414 all over 25. Okay, and our final answer will be equals to 16.56 is our final answer. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe to my channel, and after you click the subscription button, you'll see a bell icon that pops up. Click it for you to be notified when I make new videos. And don't forget to share with your friends so that they too can benefit from this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.